Hey there, I'm Travis Cawthorn with Kramer AV. Here at our booth today in our AV over IP wall, we're highlighting our ZyPer4K-XSE 10 gig SDVOE encoders and decoders. Now we're showcasing a DV LED with multi-viewing, which is kind of the main reason why you'd want to jump up to a 10 gig solution. You can actually multi-view up to 19 sources on a single display, even multiple layers of picture-in-picture, perfect for command and control applications. Here's a few of our encoders and decoders, wide variety between copper, fiber. You can see here we also support Dante audio and Icron USB routing. And again, copper and fiber options. The 10 gig solution, you have that uncompressed video, 4K 60, 444, great for command and control. Especially where quality is important. So if you want to get some more information, reach out to us at kramerAV.com. Thank you for stopping by.